Why I love using LuxAlgo for my trading now, officially. What's going on, guys? My name is Malik, and today I'm giving you guys actually an honest, unbiased review of LuxAlgo because I've known about these guys for a while, but I never really paid attention to them until like a couple of days ago. I was irritated. I was looking for order blocks and just I don't know. I just didn't know what it is. So I came across the LuxAlgo one more time and I was like, you know what? I've seen these guys for a long time. Let me give it a try and see what's up with them. You know what I mean? So I gave them a try and all of a sudden, like, I took a trade with them. Trade was extremely profitable. The indicators were actually pretty accurate. But one thing I've noticed on the site is they never really properly give you like a preferable setting to use. So you basically got to tweak the settings. Like this is my settings right now though. So for market internals, I have like at a 5 or whatever like that, and then a length of 10 for order blocks because I want like strong turning points. You know what I mean? Because the default settings, those order blocks were getting broken through like a lot. So you just have to like tweak it. So I've been tweaking a little bit. Like as I was taking my trades, I was tweaking each settings, and by far this is like the settings that I have on right now. The premium and discount zones, you need those. Those are the holy grail to LuxAlgo, to tell the truth. That's like, in my honest opinion, the premium and the discount zone with the order blocks, top notch. But honestly, in my over opinion, I think it's a great indicators to use with your trading. Like for example, if you guys use moving averages with your trading, basically it's all right here. Look at this, order blocks. So like, let's say if you're taking like a 1-to-1 profit, let's say 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So we got a 60% strong. So usually what I've noticed is not all the time when you have a full verification, it'll come all the way and tap that. So usually I would like, if I was, this is not a financial advice, but I would set my limit order and take it 1-to-1 right here, or you can take it to the next order block, which is right here though. But yeah, other than that, I think this is a great platform. I mean, a great indicator to use. Like, it will change, honestly, in my opinion, it will change your trading like by far most. Because ever since I started using this indicator, my trading has improved. Like, I really have seen my trading improved. As you guys can see, I already have, for when Sunday comes, obviously it's gonna come here, tap here, and then start climbing all the way up. And I'm climbing all this all the way to the next order block, basically. Of course, there are fair value gaps that are bringing it down, but you know what I mean. But overall, the trend is going to be up, though. We are, like, for those of you that know the M's and W's, you can see this is a perfect W formation right here for the trade. So this is actually my bias for NZDUSD for next week coming up, basically. But yeah, that's it for my review for LuxAlgo. Yeah, you guys can, if you guys are interested in using the indicator, give it a try for yourself. There's a link below. You can use my referral link or whatever like that if you want to. If you don't want to, it's still cool. Just go to Google, type in LuxAlgo, and try it out for yourself. Honestly, I can care less. But yeah, that's about it though. Like, check it out. I think this is a pretty neat indicator, in my opinion. I like it. I'm going to start using it a lot. When I first purchased it, what's it called? I purchased the medium plan or whatever like that. But in my opinion, I know how to trade, to tell the truth. So I don't really need the medium plan. I just need the price action, to tell the truth, and then just trade my usual M's and W's. That's it. But anyways, yeah, check out the link below. Hit my referral link. Show some support. Help me grow the channel. Yeah, help me grow the channel. Give me some watch time hours, please. Your boy is struggling with the watch time hours. All right. Alright, the watch time hours and the subscribers, man. I'm trying to get monetized here. Yeah, the struggle's real over here. I didn't think YouTube was gonna be this hard, but I actually kind of like doing. I actually just kind of like talking to the mic. Anyways, it helps me get out of my bubble because I'm an introvert. But yeah, you know what I mean. Show some support. You know, hit the like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what's up. Let me know your opinion about LuxAlgo. Are you gonna use it in the future? Yeah, this is Malik. I'm out. Peace.